Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. ADHD is a persistent pattern of inattention or hyperactivity impulsivity that is more frequent and severe than is typically observed in individuals at a comparable level of development. Children with ADHD have a deficit in the executive function of their brain, which consists of planning, organizing, prioritizing, problem-solving, time management, and sequencing, which helps to complete tasks. Some signs and symptoms include difficulty paying attention, difficulty following instructions, organizational difficulties, easily distracted, and excessively talkative. It is one of the most common childhood disorders and can continue into adulthood. The average age of onset is 7 years old, and boys are 4 times at risk than girls. ADHD causes problems in how well children do in school, their ability to maintain friendships, and how to function appropriately in the society. Treatments used for ADHD include psychotherapy, education, medications, and/or a combination of all. Stimulants are the most commonly prescribed medications, such as Ritalin, Adderall, and Dexedrine. Stimulants increase the dopamine levels in the brain, which will aid with concentration while decreasing hyperactivity and impulsive behaviors. Non-stimulant medications, such as Strattera, are another option for treatment when stimulants have adverse effects. Although non-stimulants help with hyperactivity, impulsivity, and aggression, they do not help with attention. Certain antidepressants, such as Wellbutrin, targets both epinephrine and dopamine neurotransmitters. When a child is on a combination of behavioral and medication therapies, as well as exercising, getting enough sleep, and eating nutritiously, the child may show improvement in school performance and social interactions. A nursing diagnosis for a child with ADHD would be impaired social interaction related to ineffective social skills as evidenced by inappropriate social behaviors. Goal: patient will be able to identify and demonstrate appropriate social interactions with others within 3 days. Interventions: assess attention span and distractibility and ability to make decisions or problem solve. Rationale: determines ability to participate in planning and executing care. Nurse will discuss with child which behaviors are and are not acceptable. Rationale: once behaviors are identified, client can learn to listen and communicate in socially acceptable ways. Outcome: patient is able to identify and demonstrate appropriate social behaviors. Goal met.